When we're talking about forward progress as a business coach, there's one word that matters just about more than every other word, and that is momentum. In other words, just the ability to go to the next step, the next step, and the next step. And you think about momentum, and then you think about the things that kind of blow a hole in momentum, kind of like, one, we talk about the 80-20 rule quite often in our coaching community. And that is where, in most cases, we've watched and observed over the years where a lot of coaches, they'll spend 80% of their time messing with technology and tweaking things and presentations and stuff, things that kind of need to happen. But at the same time, we kind of get wrapped up in a lot of minutia. And what does that do? Well, it puts pressure on our time and our bandwidth to only spend about 20% of our time in actually building relationships and adding value and solving problems. And that's what's needed and necessary to build a solid, long-lasting business coaching business. So, number one, momentum comes from clarity, not from motivation. Motivation is not the underlying tool that's going to help you go to the next step. It's clarity. What does that mean? Well, like for instance, in our business coaching system, we have a step-by-step onboarding process to get all the tools, the resources, everything that you need. We could just give you all of the resources, say, all right, here you go, but then you don't have a clear next step. In the same light, when coaches, and this is how we train inside of our coaching community, when coaches don't give a business owner the very next step, that also bogs things down as well. And so it's very important that you look at growth and process as a next step. In our coaching portal, this is the resources in the curriculum, if you want to call it that we utilize to coach a business owner for greater profitability. We utilize a 12 systematic approach that we call it an operating system. But when we coach a business owner, especially one-on-one, we're going to stay focused on coaching them one strategy at a time and one step at a time. Why? Clear next steps. So if you're looking for a momentum, and by the way, if you're on our coaching team, this is something that you really need to lean into. What is my very next step? If not, you'll overthink things. You'll think about things till it's a different thought on Thursday than it is on Friday, and so on. You want to get clarity on what is my next step. The next thing is that small wins compound. In other words, oftentimes we want kind of like, strike gold. We want, big things to happen. And sure, it would feel great for those things to be accomplished and to come true. But the reality is that utilizing the compound effect, when we have one small win, we have another small win, we have another small win, and so on. We actually trained about that, ironically, today on our call, coaching coaches that are looking for their first 3 clients. We talked about the power of a specific strategy, which, by the way, that's what we do every single week. So if you join us or if you're new with us, make sure that you're joining us on our Get Your First Clients call. It's really important. But it's all about the strategies to string together multiple wins that when they compound, that's what feels big. It's actually really difficult to actually just get a big win. It happens, and it's great when it does, right? But what's more realistic and what can happen on a consistent basis is to get a small win, a small victory, small win, and all of a sudden over a period of a few weeks, a period of a few months, it's like, hey, I'm on a path forward. So momentum is gained when we are truly harnessing small wins and manufacturing the small wins. What does that look like? Well, let's I'll use the analogy of if you walk or you jog or exercise like that, right? So a big win versus a small win. So the small win is, you know what? I don't love to walk. I don't love to jog. And I'm told that I need to do it for 45 minutes, 5 times a week. But I don't enjoy doing it. So I'm going to start on my journey. And I'm like, I tried to do it. It didn't work. I didn't want it to go. But you know what I'm going to do? Small win. I'm just going to go today for 5 minutes. I'm going to go tomorrow for 5 minutes. And the next day for 7. And the next day for 10. All of a sudden, that 5 minute, all right, I did it. Compounds. 5 minutes. All right, I did that. I can do a little bit more. That's the compound effect that gives you the momentum to stretch further, to go further, to do more. And all of a sudden now, when I am doing it 45 minutes, that feel that, at near as big of a deal. Why? Because I have compounded the small wins together to get those quick wins. All right. Systems protect momentum when motivations dip. Look, reality is reality. You're going to have gloomy days. You're going to have bad days. The client who said they were coming on board just isn't coming on board in the time frame that you thought or that they committed to for 1,000 different reasons. Any one of those things will make an impact to motivation. Sometimes, and it wouldn't matter what kind of business you started, it's just not your week, right? But when you have momentum, it has the ability to protect that entire. Why? Because again, when you're stringing it together, quick, small wins consistently, and those quick, small wins consistently kind of, give you a bigger win, right? Because that's happening. What happens psychologically is the brain trigger says, well, I've been having some wins, having successes. I've got momentum, and that protects those days, those weeks of having those dips in motivation so that you can keep that dopamine up, so that you can keep that energy up, so you can keep moving forward. And we have a saying all the time says, when you get a client, so that if today was Thursday and I landed a client today, what's the very best time to get the second one? Right now, tomorrow, right? In other words, immediately. Why? We want to kind of, utilize the wind of momentum to continue to push us, continue to carry us, because there's just going to be days where, or maybe you've even, you've had a string of days or a string of months where you're just working really hard. Things are coming together, but, we get a little tired sometimes. But when we have consistent momentum, it has the ability to be able to protect those lack of motivational days that have a chance to puncture progress. We don't want to do that. We want to stay forward. And lastly, momentum dies in ambiguity. Look, one of the things that I used to do when I was younger, certainly just kind of getting into coaching, it was definitely winging it. And I kind of talk about that all the time. It's just part of the story of my progress. No question that I just, podcast tip here, utilized a business book there, something I picked up over here, but there was no congruency to any of that. And perhaps you've gone through that before, but there's no congruency to any of that. And what it does is that it doesn't just have a chance, but it brings about a lot of just beige. In other words, I like to use just ambiguity as the color beige. It's bland. It's not exciting. There's a lot of ambiguity. It doesn't make sense. It takes a lot of extra explanation and so on. But when you have momentum, remember, let's package together what we're talking about. Clear next steps, right? Small, quick wins, right? Systems that protect the motivational dips. When you have that, that gets away from just vagueness and bland, ambiguity, which is the whole point. So the bigger than anything, it's when you are structured with a system, when you're structured with the process, that is going to enable you to have the momentum that you're looking for and that you need. When you do it alone, you do it on your own, it's just very difficult, and it has a chance to bring drag in it. In other words, it just slows things down, gets overwhelmed. When we're overwhelmed, we don't feel good. I'll do it tomorrow. And we say that 4 or 5 times in a row. And then all of a sudden we get further and further away from our goals. That has a chance to kind of puncture our passion as well. And that just makes it hard. We want to ride on the wings of momentum. And you can do that when you're structured. And that's the encouragement. You can do that when you've got systems. You can do that when you have tools. That's the whole purpose behind our entire done with you collaborative business coaching system and process. And so again, if you're on our coaching team, make sure you're leaning in, make sure you're getting the value, make sure you're meeting with your advisor, make sure that you are following the next steps process. If you're taking a peek, maybe you're on our email list, maybe you're watching some videos, listening to some podcasts, and you're just curious, you can certainly hit us up right here. Wherever you see this video, there'll be a link somewhere. You can book a time for a conversation with us, or there's probably a link in your email as well. And we'll explain to you how utilizing a collaborative Done With You system really changes the game to help you get momentum so that you're not on your own, so you're not discombobulated, so there's not a lot of ambiguity, that you've got a focused amount of effort on exactly what you need to do to be successful, whatever that word means for you, as a business coach, adding value, solving problems, really giving the ability to help that business owner to grow that business, specifically accelerating their profitability. Why? Profitability is the domino that knocks over all of the other dominoes. Where there's no meat on the bone, businesses cannot make decisions to expand, to hire really good people, pay them longer, sell the business. Lots of people who they want to sell the business, it's not profitable enough. Why? Not profitable enough, not enough meat on the bone. When you, as a strategist and as an advisor, when you show up with a strong process, that creates momentum and it creates people to want to lean in and say, yes, I need your help. All right, there you go. Take care.